Hello folks, and welcome to another edition of Cameron's Pantry here on Kingspirit Travels. Today we're going to try an apple pie Kit Kat. This is a limited edition, so hey, if you see it, grab it, try it. I grabbed this, I'm going to try it. One serving size is one package here. It's 220 calories per serving with total fat 12 grams. 7 grams of it is saturated fat. 40 milligrams of sodium. 27 grams of total carbohydrates, which includes 0 fiber. And 20 grams of total sugar. 17 of it. 17 grams added sugar. But you do get 2 grams of protein and a little bit of vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium in it. Now, reading the ingredients, you would think that this would have apples in it. No. Sorry to say, this does not have real apples in it whatsoever. It's an artificial flavor. You get a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm reading the doesn't say what natural flavor. An artificial flavor. Doesn't say that's it. That's it right there. I apologize if this is kind of herky-jerky. But it does have a lot of dyes in it. 4 dyes. D-Y-E-S. Yellow number 6 lake. Yellow number 5 lake. Blue 2 lake. Red 40 lake. Well, what's interesting is that this, the Hershey company is, Kit Kat is under license from the Nestle company in Sweden, of all places. It says so right here, right in the back. If you can read that, that's a little fascinating to me. So, let's open this thing up, show you what it looks like. No apologies for background noise because it's kind of busy. It's a Sunday here in the new year, the second Sunday actually. So, no, it's nothing. Yeah, well, yeah, it's the end of January now. January 31st. So here we are. Yikes. It's a little messy. Wow, but you can smell the apple as well as the cream in this. So let's try to break this in half. Then break a single piece. Ta-da! Really good hit of the cream. It's like an apple pie with whipped cream on top, in a way. Yeah, the flavor, very flaky. I like it. It does have the flavor of an apple pie, but not much of the apple in it, as you can see with the bite. That's just the wafer right there. Not bad. If you if you want to try it, when you see it, buy one. Went down the wrong way. Oh man. That hurt. Wow. Okay. I am not editing that out. So, wow. That hurt. Oh man. Again, I like it. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but I do like it. If you find it where you live, grab it, try it. You might like it too. Okay. Yeah, it's finger looking good, but it's not KFC. The cream is just melted, that's all. Well, that's it for this edition of Kingspirit Travels Cameron's Pantry. I'm Cameron Farmer. Until next time.